The iPad mini 7 2024 unboxing experience begins with pull tabs on the reverse of the box. So we can pull those off. Either side of the box shows the Apple logo. So we remove those. Once the tabs are removed, the top of the box can slide right off, like so. And then you have the device. Pull tab. Wow, that is really light. That's super light. Wow, that's wonderful. All right, and then we have some documentation designed by Apple in California. A USB-C to USB-C charging cable. And a power brick. Let's see, that's rated at 20 watts. So that should charge it decently quickly. So you have the device. That's great. This is the Starlight model. This is the Starlight model. We've used a paper lining. So this is highly recyclable packaging. And then we have the device itself. There are no Apple stickers in the box. The volume buttons are at the top. The lock switch, which does have a fingerprint reader on this model. On the reverse, you have your camera, just the iPad. This is the 256GB model in Starlight. For myself, I'm planning to use this iPad for drawing on the go. I have the Apple Pencil Pro. This model of iPad only supports the Apple Pencil Pro and the Apple Pencil USB-C. It does not support Apple Pencil 1 or 2. So this is the iPad mini 7 2024 model in Starlight. Do you want one? Are you going to be getting one? Please let me know in the comments. If you're watching this video in the future and you have any questions for me about my experience with the iPad, please feel free to ask them in the comments as well.